Do you need faster hotspot speed or you want more compatibility for older devices? You can tune it easily by adjusting the Wi-Fi band on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon, tap Connection, tap Mobile Hotspot and Tethering, tap Mobile Hotspot, tap your network name. Now use the slider under band to choose what you need. 2.4 GHz is the default. This works with most devices based compatibility. 2.5 or 5 GHz. It's balance option, but unused band may turn off to save battery. 5 GHz preferred to get faster performance, but older devices might not connect. And 6 GHz preferred to get the best performance for supported devices only. As the example, you can set it to 5 GHz preferred if you want faster hotspot performance like gaming, streaming, or transferring files, but only compatible devices can connect. Tap Save, then tap OK. And that's it. Now you can optimize your hotspot for speed or compatibility depending on your needs. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.